Okay, got another project up here, New Portland, Maine. Left Searsmont the other day, finished that up actually this morning, and now I'm working on a little camp up here in New Portland. And what we're doing is, or what I'm doing, I'm working alone now. Hold on. All right, I'm going to be installing some of that vinyl stone siding. Looks like stone. Pretty good stuff. But anyway, let me show you the back of it here. That's the back of it. And you can see where the starter strip clips in, right there. And then the nailing strip's up top. There's your nailing strip up top. And it just clips into the starter strip. I ran all the Tyvek and boxed in whatever I had to box in with AZEK. Running around here. This you can see, trying to match that up is going to be fun. We got shingles over here. We got T111 over here. And on this side, it's a good 2.5 inches out. Here it's probably about 3/4 berries. So we'll just do the best we can or get this thing looking right. Got to get that end fixed right there. This end right here is going to be kind of a pain. You can see what we got to work with there. So I'll probably just run some AZEK, 2-layer AZEK, connect one first layer to the foundation and then build up on the next one. And on the top, I'm not sure what I'm going to do on the top just yet. Anyway, that's one of the corners going in. So that's pretty cool. You just nail that in and start it in there. Spin it around, you can see what's on the inside there. That's all you got going there. So we only got 2 outside corners to do. I'm gonna run a little J channel around the door, and that light fixture is already set to receive the siding, and a little bit of J channel around the chimney where I just ran the AZEK. And what I had to do here was run some 1/2-inch fern strips to bring this out flush so I could run that AZEK down to the bottom here. And I did that all the way down there. And that's the project for tomorrow, to get that siding on and make it look decent. So we'll see. Okay, we got the faucet wrapped and J-channel on the chimney and half the door with the J-channel, but can't run it on that side till I get that AZEK in. And that's about it today.